In the end stages, the narcissist will do exactly this. Now, it's not always clear, but in most cases, this is what happens. Narcissists are quite predictable when you can read the cycles of behavior. Figuring this out will really help you to understand what is going on. Watch this video because I explain all. Hello my friends and welcome back. I hope that you're all doing really well. So in this video today, I'm talking specifically about the last thing that the narcissist will do to you, okay, before they actually leave. All right, and so this will help for you to understand at what stage what is going on here, because narcissists and their behavior happen in cycles, which means that basically there is a certain kind of predictability, and they will do certain things in certain ways because they know that it gets them the results that they need. They know that it gets them the kind of they know where they're going, they know what is going on. And for them, for a narcissist, this is very important that they know what the outcome is going to be or what the next step is going to be. Think about it. If you're controlling people, you need to know the stages. You need to know what is happening. It's like a carefully orchestrated game, and you need to know what the next thing will be. Just want to mention that I do go live on this channel every single Tuesday. Guys, I'd love to have you on there. Like, it's such a vibe when we're on these lives. Like, honestly, don't just take my word for it. Come on over, because honestly, we have the best fun, even though we're learning, even though we're going through things. And I know that there's a lot of things that are coming up for people, you know, and we're able to share our experiences on there. You don't have to if you don't want to, and that's absolutely fine. But I would love to see you on the live. Come on over every single Tuesday. Love to see you there. Okay. So this is particularly at the end stages. This is the narcissist will do this before they actually leave. And the thing that they will do is, it's funny because it's not funny. I shouldn't have said funny, but it's a strange phenomenon that actually what they have to do is destroy you. That's right, my friends. They will destroy you before they leave. Think about it. Who does that? Like, why would you want to destroy someone that you've been in a relationship with, that you have loved, that you have this connection with? Why would you want to destroy that person? Well, my friends, there's a few reasons why they would do this. The first one is they don't want you to be doing better than them, okay? They don't want you to get up on your feet and be doing a great life, you know, and, you know, you have your finances in order, you're feeling good, you know, like you're going shopping, you're just feeling amazing, and you're just getting on with your life without them. And do you think they're going to want that? No, no, no. They don't want you to be doing that. They don't want you to be living your life without them. You see, in a way, they view you as their property. They view you as someone that belongs to them and that they can do whatever it is that they want, and they can control you. That is what they want. That is what they want to be able to have some sort of control over you, even though you've left. They don't want you to do better, because then that means that it shows them up. It shows that when you were with them, that you weren't doing well, and actually the issue is with them, but it's not. It's them. It's not you. It's them. And so by you moving forward highlights that. The other thing that you've got to remember is if you get into another relationship, that also means that you're moving on in your life. You know, like you're happy, you've got over them, and now you're moving into another relationship. And you're probably thinking, well, why does that matter? They're already in another relationship. Why should that even matter to them? But again, with this whole phenomenon or concept of objectification, it's almost that they believe that you belong to them eternally, and that they can have this control. They can tell you what to do, tell you what to feel, tell you how you should be doing things. So they have some sort of control over your life. Now, you see, the thing is, if you're moving on into another relationship, that means that they lose that. You know, they've also got to know that if they wanted to, they can come back and they can get supply from you. And they'll have a few people like this. This is very important to them. Again, this stems from childhood. Like, they never got their needs met. They never felt validated. they never felt that they were really liked for themselves, so that there's a sense of rejection. Now, if you move on, you re-trigger that wound of rejection, even though they are the ones that may have left and they have moved on into another relationship. They still think that you are in a relationship with them. Yeah, I know, it's strange. It's very strange, but that's what they think. They think that they can still have that kind of access to you. So they're going to try and prevent that from happening. They are not going to like the fact that you are moving on with someone new. So somebody else will have that supply. Someone else will have that energy, that attention that you once supplied the narcissist. You see, in their mind, they feel once you've loved them, you're always going to love them. You're always going to put up with this behavior of theirs. And that's the damaging thing, isn't it? That's why they'll keep reappearing. That's why they'll show up. That's why they'll try and convince you that, you know, maybe you should be with them. And even the ones that you don't hear from, they'll be back. They'll be coming back at some point. So if you are destroyed, if you have lost your confidence, and they have taken so much energy, so much of your time, then they feel that this is good, because you're not going to be able to move forward. So destroying you, putting you down, being awful towards you, that makes them feel good, because you're not going to rise. They think that you're not going to rise up. And you've also got to understand that if they are destroying you, if they are putting you down, they want to be able to punish you before they leave. Yeah, that's right. They want to punish you. The reason why they are leaving, why they're ending things with you, is because you have not conformed. You've not done what the narcissist has wanted you to do. So it means that you haven't been an emotional slave to the narcissist. You haven't conformed. You haven't done what they have wanted you to do. Now, I mean, that's such a strange concept, it's a strange analogy, but actually breaking you down psychologically and emotionally, it means that they have taken something from you, and that's what they want to know. It's almost like they take this from you like a trophy. Yes, so when they are punishing you, they've got to make sure that they're destroying you, because they don't want you to rise up. They don't want you to be doing better than them. They want you to be pining after them, worrying about them, supplying them energy, even though you are not with them. And the way that you are supplying them energy is by thinking about them, wondering, why did they do this? You see, think about this as all supplying attention and energy to the narcissist, but without them actually doing anything, without them actually being there. You're thinking, why has this happened? They've not given me the ending. I've got no closure to this. I don't know what's going to happen. But the closure is, all right? Because they know they want to come back. So they're not going to give you an ending. Oh, this is the end. That's it. It's over. They leave a little crack through the door so they can slip in there and get something more from you. So when you're supplying them the attention, the energy, those thoughts of like, why has this happened? Why? I don't know. I haven't got the answer. I haven't got this. The thing is, if you're identifying with any of these behaviors that you have gone through, then you're probably with someone who is toxic and narcissistic, or both. Well, they are both, because they are toxic and narcissistic. So knowing this, okay, is that actually you're in control. You don't let someone destroy you. You don't let someone leave you on the floor, getting upset, worrying what's going to happen next. Don't do that to yourself. You have a choice in all of this. You have a choice whether you want this to go this way, or for this to feel like this, or know that actually if you're thinking about them, wondering why, your closure is this, is that you know they're narcissistic. You know that the information that you are listening to on podcasts, on videos and stuff that you're reading is resonating with you for a reason. That is the confirmation that actually this person is toxic, is narcissistic. You need to run as far away from this person and have no interaction, because believe me, this person is not going to change. Nothing is going to be different, even if you go back for another round. So don't let this person destroy you, take so much from you. Okay, because they're already getting this. You are supplying them with energy, your thoughts, your energy, your love, your attention, and your emotion. Don't do that to yourself. This person is not worthy of that. You are so much more. So please know that if you are going through this, that I do offer one-to-one consultations. Please see the description box below. If you want to know a little bit more and maybe manage this situation, watch this video, because honestly, watch this video because it would explain a lot more. I've also got a mentorship and a journal club, which is absolutely free for you to join. Please see the description box below. I've also got the Discord server, which is a community of like-minded individuals, people who, you know what, have been through similar things like you have. So if you're interested in joining, please see the description box below. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do hope that it helps. See you in the next one. Goodbye.